This is Computer Insider, your daily technology fix with host Bob Pritchard.
Today on Computer Insider, have you been able to adapt to the ever-changing world of technology? Well, most of us haven't, or at the very least we're very slow at adopting new concepts. Let me give you an example. Last week we decided that we needed to replace the brush head on our drag-around vacuum cleaner. We phoned the manufacturer, gave them the model number, paid by credit card, and received the replacement part a few days later. It looked like a complete no-brainer until we opened the box and discovered that there were no instructions. Well, now what? Being handy with a screwdriver, we decided to start dismantling the head unit, and then we hit a roadblock, decided that we needed a better plan of attack, and reached for a tablet. We typed in the make and model of the vacuum, YouTube, and then hit enter. At the speed of light, there it was. A full, detailed video showing exactly how to replace the brush head. 40 seconds later, the new brush head was installed, and then after a half an hour putting all the stupid screws back in, the job was finally complete. And the moral of the story? Pretty much anything you want to fix, adjust, or rebuild probably has a comprehensive how-to video on YouTube. So hit the easy button and watch before you destroy.
You've been listening to Computer Insider, your daily technology fix with host Bob Pritchard. You can reach Bob by email at bob@computerinsider.org.